All right, everyone, welcome to another episode. We're gonna start this one a little bit differently because I want to show you guys what happened. This is a brand new boat, all right? I mean, I just bought it. I paid a lot of money. I don't know if you guys have seen that video or seen this boat, but I really take a lot of pride in this one, and I've spent a lot of money and time on it. I still have the old one, which I'm gonna be selling soon, but I got a new boat. It's my baby. I love it. And flathead fishing is rough on everything. And I was pulling a weight out of a brush pile, and it came back and smacked this window right here. This one. And here's what happened here. I'm going to show you guys. Look at that. See how it's all cracked? Now, flathead fishing is expensive. That piece of glass costs a lot of money to get cut. So they wanted hundreds of dollars to fix that one piece of glass, and I ended up doing it myself. So here it is. I'm going to show you guys in the video how I cracked it, but there's the new piece. It's in there. I think I did a pretty good job. But yeah, that's flathead fishing. It's rough on your body, it's rough on your brain, and it's rough on your boat and your pocket. So I'm gonna show you that clip, and then we'll get into the flathead fishing. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe. I've got a bunch of really good flatheads recently, so if you want to see those, hit that little bell down there, hit that subscribe button, and you won't want to miss them. So let's get into the video. Let's go. All right, we're trying to get set up here, guys. Hold on. All right, welcome back to a beautiful night on the river. It's like May 17th, and it is gorgeous. 85 was the high, 86, low was 65. It's time, guys. And with that, water temp is up there in spawning temps. It's 75 degrees already. So as you can see, I got a log jam behind me. I'm gonna be fishing what I think, or what I would call spawning areas. Hard bottom is where I think they like to like to spawn, and I think they like to go up there earlier than they're gonna spawn and kind of eat and feel their, you know, habitat out. This is an area that I think that's what they're gonna be doing. So that's how I think about these fish, you know. Been catching them in mud in the last videos, and this is all gravel. So we're gonna try some gravel and some wood tonight. And as you can see, we got a big moon up there. Hopefully that gets out of the way. And yeah, I got another idea too, because when I went upriver, threw my cast net one time, and it was filled with shad and bluegill and a gigantic sucker. So I kept the sucker, cut him up, and yeah, I might go to that spot where I caught all that bait, because it's on a big current seam. It's fast water. That'll be our second spot tonight. I'm gonna sit here for quite some time, maybe an hour, 2 hours past dark, and then we'll think about moving. But until then, we're gonna drink some coffee and hang out. So click that thumbs up and get ready, because hopefully we get our biggest of the spring. We haven't hit that 30 mark yet, so let's try to do that, and have a good night. Let's go. I don't know. I think I got a flathead on my right rod.
Oh shit.
I don't know what he's doing. Yep, he's on there.
Where you at?
Hold on. Oh yeah, we got him. Yeah, he's been eating that for a while. Or did he come off? Oh, he's on there. I'm like, what is he doing? Yeah, there he is. Oh, did he come off? No, I got him. I got him. He's a little one, dude. Come here, bud. Dang, look at you. Oh, not there, not that way. I got him. There you are, buddy. Okay, come on in here. Oh, look how dark he is, dude. Dude, he's like pink, bro. Look at this flathead, guys. He's like pink in color. Man, that's so cool. Let me show you guys this fish. That is such a pretty one. Little camouflage bud. No. Yeah, first one of the night right there. Man, he's so little, but he ate a big bullhead. So cool. I just love them. The coolest looking fish in the world. Go tell your big brother, come on. We got one. We got a good one, guys. We got one. Come here. Oh my God, we got a good one. I think we got a good one, guys. Yeah, we got a good one. He's just sitting there in the current. We got a good one, guys. Can we keep him on is the question. Yeah, this is a good one. Hopefully he's not snagged. Come on, buddy. All right, he's coming with us. He's staying with us. He's here. Pretty sure it's a flathead. Yep, it's a flathead. Not a bad one either. We don't want to let him go underneath. He's a good one. He's done. Got him. Heck yeah, guys. I knew they'd cruise this way. Not a giant one, but it's a nice fat one. Nice and fat. Beautiful fish. He had weeds all over him too, but I thought he was a freaking monster. But I think we're in the right area. That's all I know. Look at how clean he is and fat. Sunfish too. Here we go. About a little over 10 pounds probably. See you, buddy. Active. See if I can get another bait in that same spot. He's got it, guys. I think we got him. Yeah, we got him. Let's see if we can keep him. Number 2, if we can get him in the boat. Oh, I think he's a good one. Number 2. number 2, guys. Yep. Fired up. Good fish. All right. He's freaking angry is what he is. Here we go. Number 2, beautiful fish. Beautiful flathead, guys. I love him. Not a giant, but he'll do. Bullheads are getting them today. They always usually are, though. See you, buddy. We got one. Stay on, buddy. Stay on, big dog. I got one. I got a good one, dude. Yeah, he's going across the river. Yeah, he's going across every line, dude. Oh my God. This is a giant, dude. I got a mess. Big bullhead, dude. He's in every line. I don't even care. Where's my ankle? Big bullhead, boys. Smoked it too, dude. Oh, he's pulling drag, bud. I forgot how to fight a fish. Dude, either there's a lot of current or this is a good one, dude. Oh, he's a good one, dude. That's a 30. Oh my God. Don't tell me I'm gonna lose. Oh my God, I can't get him in the boat, dude. Pig, dude. New rod, too. I can never get him in the boat. He in there? I don't even know how to fish anymore, dude. Jesus Christ.
Hey, you got him.
Oh, how'd you know that? Here's my 30-pounder. God, he's so gorgeous, dude. That was... Alright, I'll call you back.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we got a good one. We had to sit here forever. I missed a couple and then stayed way later than I wanted to. But he ate a big, giant bullhead. Let's see if we can get a good pic of him. That was exciting. All right, guys, there he is. Good one. His bleeding a little bit, but that's not from me. I think that's from the bullhead. Look at that thing. Gorgeous fish. Alright. Oh, that water's hot. Look at him. He's just chilling. Keep going.